Toronto is one of Canada's most vibrant cities, offering green spaces, iconic landmarks, historic sites, and lively markets. Discover the top 17 must-see attractions for an unforgettable visit. 17. Canada's Wonderland. Canada's Wonderland, just outside Toronto, offers thrilling rides like Leviathan and Behemoth, plus family-friendly attractions and a 20-acre water park, Splashworks, perfect for thrill-seekers and families. 16. Yorkdale Shopping Mall. Yorkdale Mall is a top shopping destination with over 250 stores, high-end boutiques, and flagship locations, plus entertainment options like a movie theater and interactive art installations. 15. Ripley's Aquarium of Canada. Ripley's Aquarium captivates visitors with over 20,000 aquatic animals across 450 species. Interactive exhibits, an underwater tunnel, and vibrant tropical fish displays offer an awe-inspiring marine experience for all ages. 14. Fort York. Step back in time at Fort York, built in 1793 to protect Toronto. Explore soldiers' quarters, witness cannon firings, and experience Toronto's military history at this well-preserved historical site. 13. Ontario Science Centre. Visit the Ontario Science Centre for hands-on fun. Enjoy interactive exhibits, pilot a rocket chair, explore the planetarium, and try the amazing aging machine, perfect for educational family experiences. 12. Nathan Phillips Square. Nathan Phillips Square, in downtown Toronto, features the iconic Toronto sign, a reflecting pool that becomes a winter skating rink, and public spaces where locals and tourists gather by the striking City Hall. 11. Royal Ontario Museum. History buffs shouldn't miss the Royal Ontario Museum, Canada's largest museum with 40 galleries and over 13 million artifacts, including Egyptian mummies, dinosaur bones, and Indigenous art, perfect for families. 10. Toronto Zoo. Spanning 700 acres, the Toronto Zoo is home to 3,000 animals across 7 regions, including the Tundra Trek and African Rainforest Pavilion, plus a discovery zone with kid-friendly exhibits and play areas. 9. Casa Loma. Feel like royalty at Casa Loma, a 98-room castle with majestic gardens, secret passages, and grand rooms. Visit June to September for live orchestra performances at the Symphony in the Gardens. 8. Hockey Hall of Fame. Celebrate Canada's favorite sport at the Hockey Hall of Fame, featuring 65,000 square feet of memorabilia, including the original Stanley Cup, Terry Sawchuk's gear, the Montreal Canadiens locker room, and the puck wall. 7. Kensington Market. Discover Toronto's eclectic side at Kensington Market, a vibrant neighborhood brimming with international cuisine, unique shops, and street art. Once a 1920s Jewish enclave, it now showcases the city's artistic diversity. 6. Harbourfront Centre. Once a neglected shipping terminal, the Harbourfront Centre is now a vibrant cultural hub with art galleries, the Toronto Music Garden, outdoor concerts, and Sugar Beach, offering beautiful lake views. 5. Distillery District. The Distillery District, once the Gooderham and Wirtz Distillery, is now a charming, pedestrian-only village with Victorian buildings, art galleries, cafes, and cobblestone streets. Perfect for a romantic stroll. 4. St. Lawrence Market. Explore Toronto's culinary and cultural heritage at St. Lawrence Market in Old Town, featuring 120-plus vendors with gourmet foods, handmade crafts, and fresh produce. Visit the South and North Markets. 3. CN Tower. Toronto's iconic CN Tower, at 1,815 feet, offers panoramic views from the glass floor, 360 the restaurant, and Skypod. For thrill seekers, try Edgewalk, a hands-free walk along its outer ledge. 2. High Park. High Park, Toronto's largest green space, features tranquil gardens, wooded trails, and a small zoo. In spring, admire cherry blossoms or relax by Grenadier Pond, ideal for fishing or picnicking. 1. Toronto Islands. The Toronto Islands offer a tranquil escape just 15 minutes from downtown. Centre Island features beaches and an amusement park, while Wards and Algonquin Islands provide serene cottages and scenic gardens. That wraps up our top 17 things to do in Toronto. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Enjoy the diverse attractions and have an unforgettable trip. Happy travels!